Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is probably coming out a lot later than the one we've just filmed, which was the Blackpool tram extension video. We're now here on North Pier. We've just got on the little train, just to give it a little spin, why not? So that's what we're doing in this video, just a quick ride down the North Pier. Blackpool Tower's just behind me there. If you've not checked out the video we've just been filming where we did that 2.5 hour tour up to the new extension, then I'll leave the link to that one in the description. Now let's enjoy the ride.
It's gonna bloody go. Jesus. Oh my goodness me. I don't believe it. Oh dear.
Well, this is very funny.
Take more than 2 pages. To go along, will you?
Are you doing impression of steam trains again?
No.
We were all the way up there earlier on that tram.
We'll have a walk back to them and not see if there's any shops or whatever.
I'm a good
We're going to topple over.
It's not that funny. Oh, here we are, look, we're here now.
It's busy, you know.
What?
That's where we're heading.
Might have to sit outside.
Well, it's not raining like it was earlier, is it? So.
Oops. Why did we get off? Can't wait to get off. Won't take us back.